Talk or type activities allow players to answer fill-in-the-blank questions by talking or typing. To create a talk or type activity, first design your slide. In this game, we want the players to type in zoo animal names. We're using a zoo theme and a layout from the Creation Packs menu. While designing your slide, consider the text boxes and leave adequate space for them. When your design is complete, tap on Set Activity and select Talk or Type. Trace the text box in its designated area and tap the plus sign. Type in the correct answer. You can also record an audio hint. Tap anywhere on the screen to save and continue. To create another text box with identical dimensions, simply double-tap on the existing text box. Drag it to the desired location and tap the plus sign. This time, we'd like the player to answer by talking. Tap on the microphone icon in the Answer With field. Now type the correct answer. Tap on the settings icon to record an instruction for your slide. Fill in the blanks with the animals' names. Tap Done and play to see your talk or type activity in action. Fill in the blanks with the animals' names. Leopard.